Hi guys, I'm going to teach you like how can you apply this wealth manager exam faster and easier. Like there are a lot of complexity applying in this exam, so like with using this Sabapplier AI, you can make it a little bit easier. So that's the thing. You just have to download the account and give data once, and you can apply any number of exams. It will help you to. This extension will help you to resize the photo and upload the exam form documents according to the exam form requirement. If you want resize, if it want compression, it will do all those stuff. You just have to give your data here, documents here, and you have to enter your basic details here. That's it. Like then it will be done. So you just have to let's apply. How can someone can apply faster and easier? Let's see it. Let's just have to click here for registration and just click autofill form. So it will take the data from the thing Sabapplier where you given in the website. So it's filled automatically. So it saved your time. So you just have to enter this. So then it's done. You just have to check whether it's correct or not. So everything is done. So just save and next. Okay. Now see this. If you see this, you not necessary to crop the edit and upload the documents manually from the computer. You just have to have the document in Sabapplier. Just click autofill. So it will take like roughly 5 to 8 seconds to fill this. So let's wait for this. See it. So it filled automatically according to the exam form requirement. So I just have to capture the photo, then done. So just click next. So this is how it saves your time, let's say. And here it is asking the all those details which is generally required for this. Select all those things and fill this preview and this detail by manually because it little bit you find so little difficulty using this, so just ignore it. And preview also you can check that. Just upload the documents here, upload the document, just open the extension again and click autofill. So it will automatically upload and change the size, compresses the file, and according to exam requirement, you just have to give the data which is required here, like photo, signature, and here 10 certificate, declaration certificate. Just upload in the Sabapplier once, so it will automatically do everything. So it's not that's why that's how it saves your time.